We're going to make something today. Let's get started. Now I hear it all the time. How many cars do you have in that shop? Why do you have so many cars in that shop? And how do you get them in there? Well, right now, going through my mind, it's all about storage. We're fixing to build something that's going to help us with some storage. Let's get started. Now, I'm going to do my best to make something out of nothing. So I've gathered up some exhaust tubing and I've got to square the ends of it up. Once again, another piece of scrap laying around. Go ahead and shear off the piece to make it square. Hey, they don't call it a stomp shear for nothing. This thing will give you a ride if you let it. It's not that I had time to waste today, but finishing this project will help me get motivated to do other things today in the shop. All right, so here's our 3 pieces that we just got through cutting. You know what we're doing yet? I don't. I still got this jig welded to the table. We're going to separate these things just a little bit. Make it kind of look cool. Need to sand down the edges and file them down, and then I'm going to round the corners for this plate right here. But have you figured it out yet? I'm gonna put my zip ties in here. I'm tired of having to go over to a box and drag these things out as I need them. All right, I'm not giving away anything yet. This is gonna be cool. It's gonna serve a great purpose. Now, motivation in a shop with lots of projects, that's really tough sometimes. The older we get, the harder it is to get motivated. But I have found that if I spend 5 minutes every morning on something small like this, I get in, get it done, I have something to show for, it makes me smile and it makes me continue my day in a positive movement instead of wandering around my shop wondering, what can I go finish today? This is pretty satisfying. If you'll try it, and it don't matter what it is. It could be drawing a picture. It could be finishing something that you haven't finished in 20 years. Working 1 hour or 5 minutes every day on something to get it finished. Motivation, guys, that's what this whole video is about. It's not about making this little tool storage container for my zip ties. This video is about motivation. Let's get this thing finished so I can get motivated to get something else done with it. Hey, don't run off yet. I let the cat out of the bag, but this thing's going to come together, and I'm going to change the design a little bit. Now, doing a quick project like this in 5 minutes, either at the end of the day or the beginning of the day, is sure help you get motivated out in the shop. All right, with all the gray skies lately, I think it's time to put some sky blue on this. Makes me happy just looking at it. First a little light coat, let it tack up in this 30-degree shop. Then we're going to come back, we're going to hit it good and make it look just like it was powder coated. Yep, no primer, no nothing, just straight out of the can. Some good old Rust-Oleum with the primer mixed in, if that means anything these days. This thing really came out looking good. I'm very proud of it. It cost me a total of $0. Maybe a little bit of welding wire and a little bit of spray paint. But look what I got out of it. Now, I have to admit, this thing's been in service for about a week now, and I have used it very regularly. I don't have to go digging around in the drawer to find my zip ties. And hey, why'd I wait so long? Now, I want to know if you've got something that you're doing in your shop that only takes 5 minutes. Let me know what your project is. I'm super excited about mine. I'm going to try to do one of these every day or every time that I'm in a funk and I need to get out of that and get into the groove. A little project like this will do it every time. Now, I would personally like to thank Jimmy Buffett, Kenny Chesney, and Zach Brown for helping me build this project, because I had the music on loud as it would go, and it took me about 4 songs to dig it, cut it, weld it, paint it, and put it in stock, ready to use. Guys, I appreciate you watching, and I hope you get out in the garage and go build you something. See you guys in the next episode. Spanky's gone.